In this video, I'll show you how to download large files from Telegram. So I'll go ahead and search up big files right here. And we have a bunch of files here for download. For example, here is DaVinci Resolve. This is a free software, right? To download this, all you need to do is click on this arrow, right? And then once it is done downloading, let me show you with this one, right? I clicked on that arrow. The same process applies for the larger file. As you can see, it's currently downloading, and once it is done, I'll show you what exactly you need to do. You need to just click on these three dots and click on a save to downloads. So it's almost done. There we go. Okay, it's done. And I'll save this to my downloads. I can go ahead and access that right here. We'll continue. Let's go ahead and see our downloads. There we go, guys. As you can see, we have the software. I can go ahead and install this if I want to. Really that easy and simple.